guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have a quick tutorial on this look that I'm wearing. I hope you enjoy watching it, and now let's get into the tutorial. So I'm starting off my makeup with this Farsali Rose Gold Elixir, and I'm just applying it all over my face. It's a face oil and it just makes my skin look really glowy and healthy. And I always use a lip balm before I start my makeup, so that when you're done with your makeup and it's time to apply the lipstick, your lips are firm and moisturized. For my primer today, I'm using the Rimmel 25-Hour Lasting Perfection Primer, and I've applied it all over my face. And for my foundation, I'm making a mixture of the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Natural Beige and the Ordinary Serum foundation in the shade Y 2.1. The reason I'm making this mixture is because I've tanned a lot recently and none of my old foundations match me that well, and the Ordinary foundation is a little too dark on me, so I mix it with all the foundations just to make it my correct shade. And then as usual, I'm blending it out using my damp beauty blender. And to fill in my brows, I'm using the Nyx Micro Brow pencil in the shade Brunette. So this pencil has a really tiny nib, and it's very easy to make hair-like strokes, and it makes the brows look very natural. And it also comes with a spoolie on the other end, so you can use that to brush your brow hairs. And then as usual, I'm using my Loreal Brow Stylist plumper to make sure that my brow hairs stay in place all day and they do not budge. Moving on to the eyes, at first I'm using this Concrete Minerals eyeshadow primer, and I'm applying it all over my eyelid using a big fluffy eyeshadow brush. For my eyeshadows today, I'm going to be using Makeup Geek shadows, and at first I've taken the shade Vanilla Bean and I'm applying it all over my lid just to set the eye primer so that there's no creasing. Next, I'm taking a mixture of Unexpected and Wisteria and I'm applying it all over my crease. This is mainly going to act as my transition shade, and I'm using the Morphe E35 blending brush to apply this. Then I'm taking a mixture of Vintage and the shade Curfew, and again I'm applying it on my crease with the same brush just to deepen it up a little bit more. And now I'm moving on to the Meet Matte Trimony palette by the Balm, and I'm taking this shadow called Matte Moscowitz with a Sigma E25 blending brush, and I'm applying it on my outer corner to create some more definition and depth, and I'm also bringing it into my crease as well, and just make sure that it's all really well blended. Then I'm using my NYX Jumbo pencil in the shade Black Bean, and I'm applying it all over my lid. This is going to help the next eyeshadow that I put in to be more vibrant and gorgeous. And then I'm just blending it out with a Morphe concealer brush. And now it's time for the star of the show. So I got sent this collection called the Black Magic Collection by Concrete Minerals. These are basically mineral eyeshadows. So at first I'm using the shade called Wicked, and with a flat synthetic concealer type of a brush, I'm just applying it right on top of the black base that I applied. Now these sort of duochromy eyeshadows look the best, I feel, when it's applied on top of a black base. So that's why I've done that. And then for the inner corner, I'm using the NYX Jumbo pencil in the shade Milk, and I'm just applying it in my inner corner because I want this part to be really highlighted. And I'm taking the Concrete Minerals eyeshadow in the shade Bitches Brew. This is also kind of like a duochromy sort of a color. It's really pretty, and I'm just applying it in my inner corner. And then to create a little more darkness in my outer corner, I'm using the shade Matte Ahmed from the Meet Matte Trimony palette, and I'm just applying it on the outer corner. Make sure it's really well blended, and if needed, take it a little bit in your crease as well. And then I'm using this Natasha Denona eyeshadow in the shade Nina's Orchid. It's from palette number 10. And I'm just applying it on my crease because I wanted a little bit more purple to the look. Then I'm taking Colourpop eyeliner pencil in the shade Piggy Bank and I'm applying it in my waterline. Colourpop eyeliner pencils are bomb. Then I'm again taking the shade Matte Moscowitz from the Meet Matte Trimony palette and I'm just smoking out my lower lash line. And to smoke out my lower lash line further, I'm taking the shade Nina's Orchid from the Natasha Denona palette and I'm applying it with an Eco Tools brush. And now for my mascara, I'm using this Divaderme mascara. I've been using this mascara lately and I'm quite liking it. So I'm applying it on both my top and bottom lashes. And for my falsies today, I'm using this new pair of lashes by Jands Cosmetics. This is in the style Jagannathpur. It is just gorgeous. And I'm applying it with a duo clear lash adhesive. Now I'm really sorry, but I have to get really close to the mirror when I apply my lashes, so the angle of the camera is probably not that great. And for my lipstick today, I'm using this Lime Crime Velveteen in the shade Polly. And then to brighten up my inner corner a little bit more, I'm taking the shade Pink Opal from the Kat Von D Alchemist palette and I'm just applying it in my inner corners. So here's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family so that I can reach more people. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the small notification bell, or else you won't be notified when I upload videos. So until next time, take care and bye-bye.